Hello, High Tech. Here is just a quick video on how to access and complete your summer homework assignment. All right, so first, like I mentioned in the email, is if you want to know exactly what your summer assignment is, you go right to our webpage, schools, High Tech High School, students, and your summer assignments is right down here at the bottom of the list. Okay. Now you have your two summer assignments, your summer reading assignment and your summer math assignment. Let's start with the summer reading. Click in here and you should know what English you are going to have next year, right? So if you're an incoming freshman, English 1, sophomores, English 2, rising juniors, rising seniors, okay? And you can see each one, here are the choices of the class that you have, right? So if you're incoming freshman, you're just gonna have World Lit, right? But every other one, every other grade level has a few different selections on what your course is going to be. So let's jump into the sophomores. Here is what you should read first, since it says read this first. And these will be your instructions. And then you have two different assignments depending on whether you're going to American Literature or AP Seminar. Okay? Again, same thing for juniors. You have this file to read first with the instructions. And then depending on whether you're going to European Lit or AP Lang, you have two different assignments. Okay? So read your README file first, and then you can go into the correct folder. Let's say I'm going to English 3, and you have your assignment. Okay? So again, go through this, see what you have to do, think about how much time this is going to take you so you can plan accordingly. Now let's go to summer math. So for summer math, depending on what class you are going into, your assignment will be different. Okay, and I'm going to take care of this for you. So, unlike English, you need to select the class that you are going to have next year in order to do the correct assignment. For math, I'm going to take care of that. Your assignment will be individualized to you based on your class that you are taking. Okay, so for you guys, for incoming freshmen, rising sophomores, rising juniors, okay, you will be assigned a IXL assignment. Okay, you already have an IXL account. You should know your login information. If not, I'm going to blast this to everybody in the next day. Okay, it's going to be sent to your school email. By the end of the summer, everyone needs to complete a SMART score of 80, right? So on each skill, you should receive an 80% mastery of all the skills that were assigned. It's going to be about 25. A few of the classes are slightly lower, a few of them are slightly higher, right? But it's going to be about 25 assigned topics for full credit. If you get an 80% on that skill, you get full credit. 80 or higher. If you get below an 80, you get no credit for that skill, right? So make sure you keep practicing the skill until you can get the SMART score above an 80, okay? So again, what does that look like? Here is IXL, right? Here's the link. If you don't have it, again, this will be sent right to your email. Just sign on, and you now have the home page where you can see skills that are suggested by your teachers. I would suggest that you filter this to be skills that are just assigned by me, and you can focus on show math skills only and get rid of the language arts skills, right? Because we're only using this for math. And here we go. So this student has 26 skills that are assigned to this particular course that she is registered for next year. And I believe this is the pre-calc assignment. Okay, so then all you have to do is, let's go right into one skill. I would suggest to start at the top and work your way down. We made sure that they appear in order. So they should be easier ones at the top. And as you go down, they get a little bit harder. Let's jump into one. I'll show you what it looks like. Again, look at this graph. Is this a relation a function? No, it is not a function. Submit. Again, my smart score is going up. You need to get this number right there to be an 80 or higher. Okay, so that might take, 5, 10 questions or so. If you get them wrong, they're going to take more. Okay, if you need help, you should know how to work this. If you get the question wrong, is this a relation to function? It is not, but I'll say yes to see if it gets wrong. See, my smart score goes down. I have a explanation of what I did wrong and why this is not correct. Okay, and then you can move on to the next one. Is this a function? Well, every input is different, so yes, this relation is a function. Okay. So work your way through all the problems, and when your smart score is above an 80, you're done with this particular skill. Go back to your math skills. Oh, sorry, recommendations. Go back to your recommendations, and again, sort by me, math, and you can go into the next skill. When you get down to the bottom, when they're all done, you're done with your summer math assignment.